This altar of church. Give me your best, and I'll give you my best. You know, abantu banhlamekile, bakhatheka, abazi. The Bible says in John 10:10, Satan uyeza ezokuba, ezokusabalalisa, ezokubulala, kodwa mina ngizile so that you can have life, and life in abundance. You know God. When Christ says life in abundance, it means every blessing that you need, every provision that you need is wrapped up in the life of God. It is wrapped up in the Zoe. It means the blessing that you need is Zulu, because there is a kind of a blessing that will make you miss heaven. But when it is wrapped up in the life of God, you will never miss heaven. God was again Zulu. But there is a kind of blessing, especially in these days, and that blessing is to come back to even though I can't do it, even if it's something to answer, but I'm here to move the eyes about this doing this one on this way now. It is a thing so long, until it's a person. Now put it to the love and your help comes from the Lord. Somebody this morning is hungry to see the